Okay, I have a 2006 Ford F250. I'm sure this applies to a lot of stuff. If you look underneath, everybody will recognize that as the thing that holds your spare tire down. That's the winch assembly. That's the top. You don't see it's up between the frame. I'm going to drop this on the ground just for a second. Kudos off to the guy on YouTube that had this story. I ordered, like so many of us that buy used trucks, there's no jack handle and so forth in there. I had the jack and the strap that holds the jack down, but I didn't have the handle to work the jack or to get my spare tire down. I don't know what the hell the people do with all these dang jack handles, but anyway, this thing has a key in there. When I ordered the jack assembly, the handle kit, I got a screaming deal. I paid like 60 bucks. All these guys that say they get them on the junkyard for 15 bucks. I don't know where they live at because we got a lot of junkyards here. We couldn't find any. Anyway, so I got it for like 60 bucks. I get it. I put the handle in there. The tire doesn't want to come down. So I finally take this complete assembly off the bottom of my truck. Not like the F-150 where there's 2 holes. There's 4 holes that hold this thing in. But it'll just drop right out. It's not a big deal. And then I see what I got here. I got this old block nut like we saw in the 70s on aluminum racing wheels and mags, as we called them back in the day. So I was like, crap, what am I going to do now? So, of course, I got on YouTube, and I found a guy that was showing this after the fact, and he said he just got a hammer. He took the whole assembly out of the bottom of his 150, got a hammer and a screwdriver and, you know, a couple of whacks, and here it is off. Well, sorry I started the video after the fact, but here's what we did. I laid it down just like that. That lock key was in there like that. I just took my Super Wonder Beer bar that I use on mission trips for construction. I set it down like that. And I took my hammer and whacked it like twice like that. It just popped right off. And there's the key. You no longer need it. Get rid of it. If somebody steals your tire, oh well. If they wanted that bad, they can have it. And you can see now the standard Ford little nipple wrench goes right up in there. Good luck to you.